Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this farmhouse-style buffet sideboard cabinet. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you're shopping for this buffet sideboard, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. Here is the buffet top. The surface is pretty smooth, and at the corners of the top, you can see the nice black metal accents. Here are the middle and bottom shelves for the buffet. Here are the two side panel stands for the buffet. Here is the rear cross support. And here are the four barn-style doors. Here are the two drawer fronts. Here are the two drawer backs. Here are the two drawer bottoms. Here is the middle upright panel. Here are the four drawer sides. Two of them will be for the left side, while the other two will be for the right side. And here are the two drawer supports. Here is the center support foot. Here are the two short cross supports. And here are the two long cross supports. Here is the back panel of the buffet. Here are the two sets of drawer glides. Here is the pre-organized pack of hardware, which will help make the assembly process more efficient. And finally, here's the instruction manual. Inside you can see a full list of all the parts and a full list of all the hardware as well. And they use these in large illustrations to help guide the assembly. And the manual also indicates the required hardware for each step in the bottom corner. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your buffet, the number one tip to assembling it is to build as much of it as you can on an elevated work table like I'm doing here. Believe it or not, much of the assembly can be completed on a table like this, without you having to kneel and be hunched over for an extended period. Now eventually, you will have to finish the assembly on the ground, but before then, you should anticipate using an elevated work area to help make the assembly process much smoother and more comfortable. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the buffet, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid damaging the parts or stripping the screws. Now, to quickly review this farmhouse-style buffet sideboard, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this sideboard is impressive, as it combines style, functionality, and versatility all in one. So let's take a closer look at this beautiful piece. Measuring 47.2 inches wide, this buffet offers a spacious top perfect for displaying decor items or holding your kitchen essentials like a microwave, toaster oven, or coffee maker. One of the standout features of this buffet is its ample storage space. It includes two spacious drawers for your smaller items, two double-door cabinets for larger necessities, and open shelving for easy access to frequently used items. Now, what's really impressive about this buffet is its versatility, because it's not just a kitchen item. You can use it as a coffee bar station in your dining room, a console table in your hallway, or even a TV stand in your living room. This piece won't limit you, so don't limit your imagination on how you can add functionality to your living space with the addition of this piece. Now, as for the design, this buffet marries a gorgeous wood grain surface with a striking barn-inspired design, adding a rustic country flair that blends seamlessly with modern decor styles. It's a perfect way to bring that cozy farmhouse vibe into your home. And it's not just about looks either. This sideboard is built to last. Made from premium engineered wood and robust metal hardware, it boasts a stable structure with a bottom shelf and four thick legs that ensure durability and strength. The buffet top can hold up to 275 pounds, and each drawer can hold up to 25 pounds, which is impressive for its size. Now, as for the assembly, it took just under 2.5 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 3 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this modern farmhouse buffet. Whether you're looking to organize your kitchen, spruce up your entryway, or create a cozy coffee nook, this sideboard has you covered, and I would highly recommend it. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.